Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I don't know why did I like pay so much for the bubbly, I paid so much for that bubbly animation pack for me to just be walking like this. That is kind of a ripoff. Let's check. I have not played this game for a couple weeks now because I prefer Adopt Me in Royale High. But I do like this game, so I'm gonna prefer to do some videos on it as well. But so let's get some of our needs up because, as you can see, we're very low in everything because, yeah. But anyways, guys, by the way, don't forget to hit the notification bell to become a part of the Kitty Clan. If you don't know what that is, it's like my new army of you guys, and yeah. So just once you're done hitting the notification bell, comment on the video, letting me know that you did. So I know you are officially a part of the Kitty Clan. And as you can see, we have 4,334 bucks to spend. So yeah, we're gonna try to build something next to our house. I have an idea. Okay, wait, sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out, can you put, I know you can put like vehicles. Bicycles are expensive in this game. This would be quite ideal if I actually had bucks to spend. But I still don't have enough. I need like a little bit more to even get a bike. Oh my gosh, okay. And so wait, what are we doing today? Oh yeah, okay. So, my plan. I need to delete part of my house, which is gonna be this side, because I want more space on my house, you see. So we're not going to delete those, actually. We're not. Oh. Thank goodness. Oh, I'm so happy that I fixed that glitch. Okay. That's good. Okay. Build, we're going to look for, walls. Duh. We need walls, up in here, yeah. I'm gonna build some more house. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do that's a bit too much money. Yeah, let's just delete that because that is a bit too long actually. It's not too much money, but it is kind of, there, oh my god. We have 5,000 bucks now. Now, guys, I promise you, I did not spend any bucks. I did not buy any bucks. I basically just found some. Oh, they really actually add the same colors. That's so cool. I really love this. Okay, wait. Wow. Okay, I like this. Let's... Well, Okay, wait. Okay. No? Okay, dang it. Sorry guys if you hear stuff in the background. Because, you know,
This is the Mentos and Ice Cube prank.
yeah. We're just gonna do that. Because that's how it's going. So, I mean, I'm very sad that you have to pay for paint. But also, though, like, this whole thing is not gonna be just green. I promise you. Now it's time to do color palette. So this, palette, this one is going to actually be, like, yellow. This is giving me my Adopt Me house vibes so much. Okay, so wait. Okay, so I'm gonna do pink for most of it, like a salmon-y pink kind of thing. Okay, wait, so... Okay, there. Okay, man, okay. Let's do... Okay, that one. Yeah! We're almost there. Okay. Okay. What? I don't understand why that happened. Okay. Wait. We're only doing mostly, like, pastel colors, so... I mean... Okay, so wait. Okay, wait. I gotta select. Why am I not selecting the floor? Here. Okay, I don't understand why this ain't working. Oh my god. Why? Oh. I'm dumb. Floor. Well, oh my god. Yes, enter. Yes. Yes, queen. We'll have to delete that, maybe. Or we might not even bother. Let's do this gray. Material. The material. Wait, the materializer. What do we go for at this point? I don't know. Let's do same kind of thing. No, I clicked on this. Oh my god. I'm about to get really annoyed if this does not actually give me my freaking floor that I'm paying for. I'm paying for this. It better give me what I want. Please. Do not give me a hard time today. That's $20. Oh my god. Okay, we need to make it a bit darker. Like that. That's what we want. Okay, and wait. Yeah. Okay, wait. If it's the same color, will it keep glitching? Thank goodness. Okay. Yes. That is good. That is a good thing. Let's, reaccumulate. Let's do that. Let's make a door, or not a door, but another room. Ugh. And I will change the colors of this wall, but, okay, wait. No, cancel. No, wait, okay. We gotta go, I'm gonna go back to build. I'm gonna copy that. But also, let's just, oh my god, let's quickly delete that. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna go to this one. Gotta do this. Gotta copy. And now place it down. Now I'm gonna make a little bathroom for myself because I'm making an ensuite bedroom. I want one of those, but you know, I'm gonna have to wait till I'm a bit older, I think. But so I'm gonna bring that through there. Yeah. Okay. This is so annoying because now that I've changed my camera angle, I can't change it back to how I now prefer it after I've completely ruined it. Okay, you know what? That looks okay. We're gonna have to get some doors now. Doors. There they are. I'm over here like looking. Where's the doors? Huh? Where's the doors? And then I found them and felt like an idiot. Okay. This is expensive, but I want it. Like, people are spending so much money on these doors. I'm gonna make it for like my actual bedroom door though. You know, like that. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay. Now just okay. It did not put a door there. Good. I wanted to make my door look like that because I like that kind of style. Let's put something that is gonna give you privacy. Like, what about the cheapest actual, like, closed door there is? Yes. Queen. We are getting places. We are living the life. We are doing our... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I didn't even know this was a thing. Wait, you can customize that? Wait, what? Really? Really? Oh my gosh. That's so cool. But, you know, that's not the material we want. The color. Let's do light pink because that's, yeah. Beautiful. Okay. What about this? You know, yeah, we're just gonna, and wait, we can do a certain color glass. That's cool. Let's make it like stained glass. What about that? Yeah, I don't know about that. No. Okay, no. Yes, that is perfect. What if I do like this, or pull like this kind of thing? Or wait, to make it still kind of look... No. Okay, wait, no. We're gonna make this like a light version of it, because, we'll just make it white, yeah. The door itself will be white. No. Okay, we need to change the material then. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, there. The glass should be stained like a very pretty blue. Or, like, can we just not do that? Why is it not showing up as pigmented as I prefer? That is extremely rude, sir. How, why, what, where, when, and who did this? Okay, wait. Maybe that salmon-y color? And what is that? You can change the color of the handle. Seriously? I'm just gonna change it to gray because that's our... Okay, yeah, that's our door. Yeah, sure. I did not put the material as wood. I put this material here. Why does it look like dark gray? What are they... Why? Does that... This is...